So what is alert in in a layman language? What is alert?
Some pop-ups that displays.
Yeah.
Or
so
some
alert is
messages.
yeah. So alert in Selenium is actually not in Selenium, in any of the web application. It's a small message, right, which displays or which appears in the form of pop-up, right, and that gives a information to user, a small message box which appears. Started recording, right? Yeah. Appears on screen to give the user some information. Or notification, kind of some notification, right? Notification. So basically, what kind of notification it gives? It notifies actually user with some specific information or error, or ask for some permission to perform some task, and also provide some warning messages. Okay, so these are the kind of pop-ups or notifications which appears on the web page, and that notifies user about the some specific information, or some error, or some warning message, or something, some input he is looking. That pop-up is looking for from the user, right? So it could be anything, right? So what you have to do in that alert, if it is actually a simple pop-up, you will just read that, right? What is that information, right? If it is like a prompt pop-up, you will have to provide some input in that, or if it is a confirmation, you will have to give the consent whether you are okay or not. So I am having the example here. Basically, we have three types of alert, right? Simple alert. Okay, so simple alert is nothing but your this is your alert message. It is giving a kind of information to user that please fill all the fields. Okay, and then you have to accept that. Okay, so this is a simple alert which says that please fill all the field, and this is the alert message, and this OK button, you will have to click on this OK button to accept the pop-up, and you cannot handle that using Selenium. You will have to use alert interface for handling this. Okay, so this is my simple alert which displays some information or warning on the screen. Okay, next is my prompt alert. Okay, now prompt alert is nothing but prompt alert. It is nothing but it asks some input from user, and you can, or Selenium can handle this using using send keys. So using send keys, you can send the input which is required by the alert, right? So example of this could be like, this is my prompt alert, wherein this page says that please enter your name, and this is the alert text box to enter the data, and this is my OK button, and this is my dismiss button, cancel button. So OK button to accept the entered data, and cancel button to dismiss the alert pop-up, right? So this is my prompt alert. Next one is my confirmation alert. Okay, So in confirmation alert, what will happen? It will actually ask permission to do some type of operation. Okay, so what is the example of confirmation alert is? So let's say you are trying to delete some customer, and then it when you click on this delete button, then it asks you that do you really want to delete that customer? And this is kind of a alert message or confirmation. And here also you will get two options, okay and cancel. So okay to accept this, and cancel to cancel this, dismiss this. Got it? So we have basically three types of alerts. Simple alert will give you some simple message or warning on the screen. Prompt alert will ask you to input anything on that alert message, right? And that you can input using send keys. And confirmation alert will give you will ask you permission to do some type of operation. Okay, now how to handle alert? So alert cannot be handled directly, right? Whenever there is an alert, you will have to switch to alert. Specifically, you will have to switch to alert. Okay, now how do I do that? So driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, so this is how you will switch from your web page to alert, from your current web page to alert. And this I will have to store in alert reference. Okay, alert, or as in AL also you can mention. And this alert is an interface. You have to import this from org.openqa.selenium. Got it? And with that reference, you can either accept, dismiss. So you can see this, right? Accept is from alert interface. Dismiss is from alert interface. Get text, right? So these are from alert interface. Accept, dismiss, and alert get text. Okay, and if you mouse over this and check this, so this is an interface, and so alert interface, if you see that there are three messages: dismiss, accept, get text, and send keys. You can send the keys to store. So basically there are four messages, four methods basically. Okay, now how will I handle alert? So for that I have switched to alert, and with that reference I can like alert al dot accept. Okay, so for that let me quickly go to this website. So here I am navigating to this delete customer page, and then I am driver dot find element by dot, let's say, ID, and then I am first inspecting this customer ID field. So customer ID, I am having name here, first ID, name, and then dot send keys. So 1 2 3 4, let's say. Okay, and then I am clicking on this submit button. So here also I am having name, driver dot find element by dot name dot click. And when I click on this, I get some alert, right? So let's see this first. So on this web page, let's say I'm entering something, and when I click on this submit button, I'm getting some alert here. Do you really want to delete this customer? So if I click on cancel, I will come back to my previous web page. if I click on OK, I will be deleting this customer and then I'll get this pop-up. Okay. When I click on this, I will be again coming back to this page. So let's automate this. Okay, so when I click on this submit button, I am getting a pop-up, right? And that I have to handle this using this alert. So in first instance, let's say I'm not accepting that. So alert dot dismiss I will have to do, right? And then again I will have to click on this submit button. You understanding the flow, guys? And when I click on this again, al dot, this time I am putting al dot accept. So let's try this first here. So submit, and if I cancel that, it is still here, right? Okay. Okay, let's run this and see. Got it, right? So in first instance, the pop-up was dismissed, and in the next line of code, the pop-up again I clicked on that submit button, and then this time I accepted that pop-up. Okay, and that is the reason I got this customer deleted successfully. And here also I will have to accept this pop-up. So once I get that, again I will have to accept that pop-up. Okay, now let me run this again. Okay, it did not work because this is a new alert, and then we will have to switch to this alert. Okay, so alert equal to dot switch to alert a dot accept. Let's try this time. Yeah, got it. So I am actually on the home page. Is this code understandable? How I am doing
Yes.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So first I got into that customer delete page. Then I located that customer ID and I sent this key. Then I clicked on submit button. And when I clicked on this submit button, I am getting a pop-up, alert pop-up. And then on line number 29, I am first dismissing that pop-up. And then again, I am clicking on that submit button. And this time I have accepted that pop-up. Once I accept that, I get another alert, right? So I will have to switch to that alert then. And then when I accept that, I am actually moving to the home page. So when I get this pop-up, al dot get text, and this I am saving in a string text, and then I am printing this. So text, and here also before accepting I am getting the text. So a dot get text, a dot get text, and then string t equal to a dot, and then here I am printing this text. Okay, Yeah, let's try this. Yeah, so first time I got, do you really want to delete this customer, right? And second time I got, customer deleted, successfully delete. Okay. So another method I am having is send keys. So that will, if there is any input box in the alert, you can send the text in that alert box. You just note down these all, and then we will proceed with.